Alright guys, so it's actually my first video. Just today we're gonna do the gaps. If you guys have been following my website a little bit, well, my website. Right now I'm posting a little bit more generic content from newcomers. But I'm gonna go deeper soon about what I'm trading, why I'm making money consistently. Just one sec. Making some coffee. Where's my fucking coffee? What the fuck? Girl left with my coffee, can you believe that? The girl took my fucking coffee with her. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, here you see I already have some trades because well actually this is something I'm doing right now. I wasn't doing this before, but like I said, if you've been reading my website a bit, basically right now I'm trading 100% contrarian. So here, just before the close, the pound at the breakout of support. So that's why I'm taking I took some long positions on on the cable and also versus the yen. And yeah, one thing I have to tell you guys, market opens in a little bit less than 1 hour now, and if you go on the Oanda website broker, you can open a free demo account, and it actually gives you pre-market live quotes, so you can actually sense what direction the gaps are gonna be, and if there are any gaps, and just put your charts, your lots, be ready for trading when the market opens, because I'm day trading. Sometimes I'm even scalping, like, so you got to be ready. And usually when sometimes the minute the market opens, you get a sometimes good chance to take an entry or an exit. So I'm gonna be back later with you guys when the market opens. Alright guys, so we got 1 minute left to the market up. My goal here, I already checked the pre-market, and actually I think I'm in the money. I don't know if on the cable or on the pound yen. I'll be looking for retracement of the breakout here, and yeah, that's the first goal. And basically here we're almost on the resistance. Oh, just open up. This is live account. Probably have $1,000. That's not my main account, obviously, but I probably have $1,000 here. It's not euro or US dollar. It's gold money basically. It's following the gold price, so you multiply that by almost 2 to get the real sense of money here. So still no quotes here. Here we have a quote. Let me put this here. Break even on the pound yen. Oh, that's another. Oh yeah, that's another position I took. Yeah, already in the money. Good job. Let me see quick if there's something else I can see. I have another white screen here. Okay, so I'm break even here. Here I didn't average a lot, so probably gonna wait for the support here. And basically there's no other gaps that I'm seeing right now. There's maybe the Australian. That's not really pretty. Same here. You see that I miss a lot of money there. I closed too early. Maybe the Australian doing something now. Yeah, that's retracing a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, you see, I'm just break even. I thought really small lots. You know, that's probably. Like I said, I don't. I just started doing like a gap, taking positions on Friday. It can be dangerous. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I like it. Oh my God, yeah, the spread is eating my profit. Okay, okay. Just wanna. You know what? I can take. How much money I'm making in this one? I will be taking the profit of this one, just so you guys show you. So just to show you guys making. Yeah, there you go. Probably gonna go up later on. See, 7 of spread. I want to wait just a little bit till the spread goes down a little bit. I'm looking at my other screen if I see anything else. Okay, that's, yeah, if there you go, if the US yen goes up to this resistance, I will be shorting hardcore. Hardcore. But right now, I'm not interested. Basically, today is a pretty fucking slow day for gaps. Oh, I see that. That's going down. That's okay. That's not that bad. That's pretty. That's pretty. Nothing here. No gaps. No gaps, though. It's a good thing I took some position Friday. Oh, that's kind of pretty actually. Well, I have with my broker, I have how do you say that, payback program or something. So I'm getting a little bit of the spread. So if there's a big spread, usually I like taking some profit. So I'm just gonna take one here, cash in a little bit of the spread, and yeah, I'll be following this one. It's a US yen. So you see, I closed this one a little bit early, so I'm gonna try to let the cable run just by a few to the next resistance. If I can do this, that would be great. But yeah, did you see, that's $1,000 account, and I already made money in 5 minutes, so I should have trade this on my main account. But I'm doing it for you guys. I'm really trying to give, and that's karma. That's good karma. Okay, so yeah, shut up. This one, just gonna zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice range. As you can see, I'm day trading. I'm almost scalping, so I don't usually look to bigger range. It can be a little bit scary, like what I mean. You see, that's a bit scary shorting here, but I don't really fucking care. I'm in and out. I'm just in and out. So it's okay. This one is a little bit slowing down. I will have make 2-3 pips more. This one also, but you see this candle? That's a nice candle. That's a nice candle. So oh, you don't see the time frame. I'm in it's written here. I am in 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this one. Actually, trading. If you have you I always say on my website, plan your trade and trade your plan. That's not from me, but I think everybody knows about that. So it's basically boring. Once you have your plan, your strategy, you know what you want, and you're just waiting for it to happen. So, oh, yeah, I did a good call there. I made a bit more money on the spread, so. But I'm actually might be buying this if it goes lower. All right, so nothing else. Just gonna check quick. Yeah, spread. You know what? On Sunday, on the market open, it's much easier to short because the spread, you don't really care. Well, in MetaTrader, the bid line is drawing the chart, or it's actually like that usually in every market. But like if you short air, even if there's a fucking huge spread of 17 pips, well, you're gonna have a low. You're gonna have high margin usage because of the spread, because you have to, if you're shorting, you have to buy at the ask. But it doesn't really matter because the bid is not gonna go up there. It's just the spread is big, so you're shorting, and you have a good position, and you can actually, the spread's gonna be lower, is gonna go lower and lower, so you're gonna be okay to cover when it's going down. So it's much easier to short, uh, and then going long in on Sunday, or anytime there's high volatility. Well, that's a difficult word for me. Yeah, volatility. Volatility. All right, so looks like it's pretty dead. You see now, I will be buying. I said before in the other video, I think I will be buying the Aussie right now, but it's not happening. That's what she said. Uh, okay, so yeah, it's pretty dead. This one is yeah, it's pushing a little bit. It's just push it, yeah. Yeah. It's good. It's actually good I'm recording right now because I always talk to myself. Some girls tell me that it's actually a proof of intelligence, talking to yourself. I'm not sure if I believe in this, but you know. So I'm trying to look at correlation right now. It looks like that's a nice, yeah. Looks like the pound has still some power to go up, some force. This looks tired. It's right in the pound yen is right in the resistance zone. It looks a bit tired. I think there's some room left in this one, especially because of the beautiful red breakout candle there. So I'm gonna be waiting a little bit. I don't have too much position, so I'm okay with that. I can just wait a little bit. If it goes down, I don't really care. I think I don't know if you saw my count just before the market opened. I think I was at minus 35 MBB, so you multiply by almost 2, so that's just $60. So on a $1,000 account. Actually 860. Oh, there you go. It's coming at you. Well, I don't see any other trades right now, so yeah. Yeah, it does look a bit tired. I'm thinking it is gonna do a little bit of it's gonna go a little bit down here, like a bit of staircase. I don't know how to say that in English, so it is gonna be a little bit down and maybe a little bit up after. Um, it's still, I don't have a lot of position. I mean, I don't have a big position because of, obviously I took the position Friday. I don't want to risk too much for the gap. but it's still like easy money, in 5 minutes time frame. Actually 12 now. So yeah, you actually with let's say with an account of 10,000, you multiply this by 10, so it's pretty cool money for 10 minutes. Well, you see here, I close and exit. Like I said, I have some commission on the on my spread, so that's okay with that. So I right now I have just a cable left. Going okay, I guess when it's going to be in 4 pips, like I'm around there, I'm gonna close. So yeah, that was it for today. If I see any huge Godzilla breakout movement, I'm gonna start recording again. But yeah, that was a slow example of gap trading on Sunday. Like I said, I took some position on Friday, but this is not, if you never did that before, you should try this with micro lots because it can be fucking dangerous, obviously. And yeah. Basically, I made my money today because of this, but it's not. There's no gaps. There's just like nothing. Especially like I said, if it's a gap down with the high spread, the big spread, you have to pay the ask, and it's impossible. I will be buying. This is Australian versus Canadian. If it was there, I will be buying. It's a nice support air, a little bit gap down. That's not big. That's like 5 pips. That's actually nothing. You can have 50 pips gaps, but you look at where the ask line is, so it's just impossible to be in a trade, to enter a trade like that. So yeah, guys, had fun, guys, girls. If girls are trading, send me your pictures. What? No, no. Let's keep it professional for now.